Hi guys, in this video I'm going to cover everything you need to know how to get started with the SmartSleep app, which is compatible with the iDisc travel device or the iBreeze and the iBreeze Gen 2 platform. I'll start by saying this app is actually really incredible. It's very, very comprehensive. The best way to get started is to use the app to register your account and then pair your device with the home Wi-Fi setup that you have. So that way you're always going to be connected and you'll always get the latest data onto your phone or through the Res Assist cloud-based management system, which you can access through the SmartMed website. For the purposes of this video though, the app is going to be the way to go. And so I'll show you how we set that up now. The first thing you want to do is head over to the iOS store or the Play Store if you're on Android and download a copy of the SmartSleep app. The first thing you want to do before we get started with the app is just to make sure that your device is plugged in and turned on in the same room as you, and you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi settings are turned on. So you scroll down to settings, press the button to go in. We have Wi-Fi, you can see it's off at the moment, but we want to click that and turn it on. And then you can just wind back and get out of there. So once you've downloaded the SmartSleep app, this is the first page you'll see. So just click on Account Register down the bottom to set up your account. Put in your email address and then press the Verify button. This will send a code to your email. Don't worry about the timer too much, as you get plenty of time to do it, although you will need to check your spam inbox just in case the email has gone to spam. Just put in the code. Make sure you've ticked that you've read the terms and conditions and press Next. So from here, we will set up an account and a password. Super important for your account, just use the same email address that you used in order to sign up. So your sign in, whether it be on the app or on the Res Assist cloud-based management system, will just be your email address and then whatever password you set up here. Once you put in your username and password, just press Next. On the next page, we need to enter all of our personal details. And then enter your device serial number. To find your device serial number, you'll need to take the humidifier out of your machine so that way there's no risk of spilling any water, and then look underneath the device and you'll find your serial number. Please note that all device serial numbers seem to start with GB and a dash. So put in your serial number, press done, and then you'll see that it will preload the institution and the model of your device. Now, if you have started your therapy before you set up your account, just click on the date range and you can actually change the date that you had started therapy. That way it'll capture all of your data history in the cloud-based monitoring system. Press Next, and then you get the confirmation screen that your registration has been successful. From here, we need to log into the app and then pair our device with the Wi-Fi settings. So in order to set up Wi-Fi, just press on the profile button down the bottom, and then you'll see the Wi-Fi button to press just there. Ensure that your device is turned on and Bluetooth is activated, and they are quite close to each other because the initial connection happens from Bluetooth, and you'll see there that it has found my device. So press configure Wi-Fi, and at this point then we just need to put in select the Wi-Fi network in your home that you're going to connect the device to. It's important that it is a 2.4G Wi-Fi band that you are connecting to, not a 5G one. Enter your Wi-Fi password. It's found my device. And now it's connected. So we're ready to go to look at our data. You can see that the device there is now online, and we go back to the home screen and now our data has been loaded into the app. So all in all, very easy to use, but also very comprehensive. And that's the important thing here, is that it really empowers people to take control of their therapy and really sort of delve into how the device is working for them comparatively to the sleep study that they may have had, which shows whether they have mild, moderate or severe sleep apnea. You can really see what's been happening while you're asleep and have confidence that the device is working well for you.